All right, this was day one of jury selection in James Crumbley's trial. The first pool of jurors was called just before 1:30 this afternoon, but there are questions about the challenges of sitting an impartial jury, given James Crumbley's wife Jennifer's trial got a lot of media attention last month. Sean Lay's been tracking all of this for us all day. Sean, what were the main questions for potential jurors today?
Parenting and parenting style and guns and how you secure guns. Main questions for these jurors today. Now, 15 questions in the juror box. This is no way is going to be the jury. However, they were there for quite a long time before even just one was dismissed, with a lot of give and take here with prosecutor Karen McDonald and James Crumbley's attorney Marielle Lehman. Asked, one woman in particular did say out of this jury pool of 308 that she had never heard of the Oxford school shooting. She had never heard of the Jennifer Crumbley situation, her trial, or James Crumbley, and that was an interesting take that she had not heard of this. Three people, two young men, say they don't have televisions and have nothing to do with social media. That was interesting as well, given young people in social media these days. They say they don't want anything to do with it, and they get their news online. All of them talked about parenting skills, that there's no such thing as a perfect parent, and if they did things behind their parents' backs, kind of drawing the defense here for James Crumbley that he couldn't have possibly known what his son may have been planning up to the minutes of the shooting. That drew some objections from Karen McDonald, saying you cannot separate the two things here, of what the son did and what they're going to try to prove James Crumbley did with not parenting enough, not being involved enough. It could have been foreseeable then for what his son did inside Oxford High School. Kimberly?
Sean, any idea how close they might be to seating a jury?
This feels so much different than the first time we sat through jury selection with Jennifer Crumbley. They may be somewhat close. They're going to question the same 15 that they had all day today. Again, this is out of a pool of 308 brought here today. So 40 remain in the courtroom to kind of give you an idea. No cameras here to protect the identity of jurors. But they'll question the 15 tomorrow. Probably, give or take, both sides will let one or two go. They may be rather close here because they had a good rapport and a good back and forth about parenting and about guns and how to secure guns with this current group.
Okay.
We'll see tomorrow.
All right.
Kim?
Sure thing. All right, Sean, we appreciate it. And you can follow the entire trial live. We'll be streaming opening statements and testimony once things get underway. Just download Local 4 Plus wherever you find streaming content.